Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. If you watched my last video, I ended the video after requesting the reward, and this is now the update. So again, another good day to go. So after clicking request, pretty much instantly I received this email. This is to confirm that we have received your reward request and it has been forwarded to our team for revision, and will shortly verify your request. Your reward request is currently under review. Once your request is verified, you will receive an email with further instructions. Now that was pretty much instant. Like I said, that was a really good time frame. Just give me confirmation straight away. Now one issue I will say is straight after that, all communication kind of went silent. There wasn't very many updates or telling me who, what, where, when. It all just pretty much went dead. My account was deactivated and the balance didn't change. It stayed at the 10,445. But then 42 hours later, I wake up 7 AM. I have an email. Congratulations, your reward request has been examined by our FundingTicks team, and we are thrilled to inform you that it has been approved and processed. We would greatly appreciate if you could share your experience with us by writing a review. Well, I'm giving you a review on YouTube, so I'm going to say that I've done my part. But again, 42 hours is being 42 hours. That's not fast, but I suppose really in the grand scheme of things, it's not too slow. But 42 hours is still a pretty good time. And then 4 hours after that email, it actually was in the bank. My account was back to being activated so I could start trading again. So basically the total wait time after request was 46 hours. 46 hours ago I clicked request, and then 46 hours from then the money is in my bank account. Again, that's not necessarily super fast. Like, of course we would all love it if we could have it in there within an hour, or within a couple of hours. But again, on the grand scheme of things, less than 48 hours and the money is in your bank account, that's actually a pretty good payment threshold. Now I'm also UK, so where I applied for 2,500 and it broke it down to 2,225, it then obviously gets transaction fees and all of this stuff on my end. So for the UK guys, it actually became £1,590 that hit my account. But still, over £1,500 right before Christmas, that's a good day. The only real thing that I'm a little disappointed in, FundingTicks do advertise, or they do sell the fact that you can request a reward every 7 days. However, if you're more experienced and you do the actual math, it's not, because a novice hears 7 days and they would feel it's 4 withdrawals a month. A more experienced person would say, do the math. They understand that weekends don't really count, so therefore you'll do the math and you'll think it's more like 3 withdrawals a month. Once we do the actual math, once you realise it's 7 days of trading with a weekend in between, so it's 9 days of trading really, or 9 days in total, then it's 3 days of processing, that puts you at 12. Now another weekend puts you at 14, and then you have to allow a further 2 days after that to ensure that the money is in your account. That there makes it around 15 days, which means we are not doing 4 withdrawals in a month, we're doing 2. So again, it's not the end of the world. Any withdrawals are better than no withdrawals, of course. Yeah, FundingTicks, again, they're reliable. They have paid out, so they're not, like some of these other prop firms that give you excuses. But if you are hoping for multiple payouts every month, then I would personally
order filled.
Look into other prop firms potentially and just seeing what your actual options are. But again, the money's in the bank. That's all we really wanted. That's all we really needed. So far, so good. And again, 46 hours after request, really not bad at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I will catch you in the next one.